Lick mats such as these are interactive toys that can serve as an engaging tool to provide mental stimulation in dogs. These mats can be smeared with treats like peanut butter, blended vegetables, cottage cheese or homemade meals, encouraging licking to reduce stress and anxiety and relieving tension in jaw muscles. Incorporating lick mats into your dog's life enhances both their physical and mental well-being, making mealtime a more enriching experience. However, it's essential to note that lick mats shouldn't be used for every meal. Dogs also need to chew larger pieces of food to ensure their digestive system functions correctly. So, while lick mats are a fantastic addition to your dog's routine, they should be used in moderation to complement their regular diet.